All right, all cleaned out. That was caked in dust and lint. Caked. Crazy. Get the drum out. This TV stand is beauty. Now I can just watch
the drum, and
the
this
how-to
is when
video.
You want to take the time to get
And
your
do the work.
vacuum in here and suck up any dust and lint that is in here, and the doors, the bulkhead.
And that's what I did.
Inside here, I'll show you, but this is a good time to clean it out really good.
Nice, it's going so far exactly like the video. Just worried, so got it on ohms. Touch them together. There's continuity. So now I'm going to test these three. I touch that one. I touch that one. Nothing. These two. Yep. These two. Yep. So nothing on these two, which is the heating element. So open it up, it might be broke or whatever. And it's just a replacement piece that you put in here. Put it back together, it should work. Crossing my fingers. All right, so I removed the plugs out of the side of it and took it out. Here it is here. Remove those parts of the heating element. Got the top off. I haven't looked yet. Here comes the heating element. There it is there. Will I see a break? Maybe on the other side. Stay tuned. And bingo. It's hard to see what's going on there. All right, so now let's go see what the damage is and how quick I can get apart. That's awesome. If I put that back together, we have a beautiful set of Samsung washer and dryer that I can sell. Now that we have the stackables. Time to get back at this. Here's the new one. Got it on Amazon. Install this. Put her back together and that should do her. So there we have it. See if I can touch both of them. And we have continuity. So, and skip right ahead to the finished product. The belt was a bit of a pain in the butt. But if I was to do it again, it'd be pretty quick. First I was worried about that, but then it stops. And it starts up, turns. I can smell the heat. And well, I can feel it too coming out the exhaust, so no problem. And I think the part cost me $56. Plus then I spent $80 on an extension cord so that I could do it out here, but I might just keep that. Comes in handy.